Check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Is it working? Let me just listen into it.
Ja, das ist now live. Streaming
Jesus.
software and game development,
All right.
game dev I'm new,
Mhm.
Kamsa hi.
Mhm. I hope that removes that weird opening message. I don't know, but
Answers says he hear you.
nice. Great. How's the sound, music, and stuff? Is good? Is good?
Answers says yeah.
That's good. That's good. Okay. Let me just check if everything else is working. Oh yeah, it is. Is good? Yes, it is good. All right. Okay, okay. So, Ans, what was not working? If I press play here, does it stop working?
Answers says grid.
Grid. Yeah, grid. Also, what the fuck is that line? Okay, so what I see is that the grid selection is not aligning with the actual grid. Right? The grid selection is not in the tile. But anything
Answers
else?
says yes.
Anything else should work, right? At least that's the only thing I can see right now. And the what's it called? How do I move again there? This one does not align correctly for some reason. Like there's a like it's offset minimally for some reason. Just check this quick. You know what I mean? Also, it looks like these are they're bigger than the grid. What is going on here? 1, 1. Wait, what was it for, right? 5? Okay. You see what I mean? Like, why is it up here? The grid is okay, it just okay, that explains it. That explains it. What else? Deselection. Where can I find the selection thing? Nope, that's not what I wanted to press. Grid. No.
Answers says facing direction.
Wait a sec. Wait a sec. I need to change that. Can you write something else again, please? That German accent or pronunciation fucked me. Facing direction.
Answer says I'm still watching a movie, Nebembe.
Okay. How about you stick to one language from now on? Just a suggestion. Is it player facing direction and
Answer says Roger Das.
no. Which movie are you watching? Has to do with this, right?
Answer says Bell.
Oh!
Answer says or Bell.
It's the one with the E. I know it. I watched it. How do you like it so far?
Answer says half paying attention.
So good. You like it.
Answer says my knee hurts like a motherfucker.
All right. So the facing direction script, that's here, right? That's the spot. Bot? Fuck is that? And what do you do? That's a sprite. Okay. All right, let me check the script. What's happening here?
Answer says sprite is on whole numbers though.
It did look like it was on whole numbers. But the thing is, I think I know what's wrong. The square. How do I go to the square sprite? The square is its pivot point is in the center. It's not in the bottom left. I think that might be the issue. We have too many folders. Square. I can't find square. Why is it? Ah, there it is. Okay. I cannot change this because it's a default asset. All right. Then I'll just create our own. Do we even need that is what I'm wondering, but let me just test it and see if that is the issue. Images. I don't know what to call it. We have assets, we have project heads, plans, items, ability, folder. Like debugging? No. Gizmo? Maybe Gizmo. Let's just call it Gizmo. And then we'll see what it is. Where? And now we can write editor. Slice. Pivot is bottom left. Delete existing. Yes. But cancel, apply, close. And we can rename this maybe select tile box or something so we find it. Select tile. You know? So I can find it easier. Spot, this will be select. Fuck off, why can't I find it now? Why is it like this? Did I write it wrong? Am I a retard? Can I not write? I don't think I write it wrong. Or wrote it wrong. Wrap mode. I don't want any filters. Can I just move it in? I can probably just move it in, right? Why is it called square zero? I'm losing it. Because the fucking tile image is called square zero. Alright, slice it again. Bottom left, delete the resistant, yes. Apply. Finally. Jesus. Alright. Bot. Missing sprite. Okay. Why the fuck? Why the fuck? I mean, it's It's better now. Just the visual is better. I don't know if it actually works that way, right? You know what I mean? If I when it plays like all right, this is fucked. This is fucked.
Answer says Q to place.
Here to place, thanks. I'm just a retard. Got it. What the? What just happened? Yes, of course. Right. Clearly, yeah. Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Totally. It's placing the seeds at the
Answer
bottom
says
left
enemy
of the
spawner
sprites.
set dudes to 0. Answer says in inspector.
Give me a sec. Ba, 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 ba. Dudes. Bad quantity 0. But still, it uses the bottom left of the square to place the seeds. I mean, that's one way to do it.
Answer says EW.
Can I see where the where's the image for the seed guy? Nah. I want to see where the seeds are set. Is it the dirt objects? Are the dirt objects offset now? Okay, this is just for watering. All right. I'm just thinking. Let me think real quick. I moved it to the bottom left. And now it spawns it there. Let me just try what happens if I switch it back. I change the spot to use the square again, basically. What? I can't find. Jesus, why can't I find it anymore? There it is. Right. I just want to see what happens. Is it really the square that does the issue, or is it just a visual thing? It's not the square. It's not the square. The square is just visual, right? Right? I'm not sure. Why is it? Yo, why?
Answer says check the grid changes you did yesterday.
Nah. The grid changes yesterday were okay. They were right. We just need to change everything else that's using it or used it. You know what's interesting? The position here is off. It should be -1, 0. Right? But should be at -1. I can't change it, huh? The spot is being set wrongly because the script for setting the spot hasn't been updated. I think that's where I have to start. It's the player facing, right? It is whole numbers in here, you're right. Hmm. I mean, it does round it to the nearest integer. You get the spot position from the transform. The spot position will always be in the center right now because I'm using the square sprite. So it will not be a whole number. But shouldn't it still change the spot position to a whole number? X rounding. And then you, what the fuck is this?
Answer says move it to 0.5 numbers then.
Nah, stop. Stop. Why are you like this? Who made you this way? Why is it different here? Why is the spot dot position? Why do you use spot positions and then you use spot dot position, spot position? This is so you override it. Okay, you override it at the end.
Answer says if 0.5 is center of tile, then center of spot should be 0.5.
Alright, let me just change this real quick. Oh, there. Okay. So I can remove it from here. All right. Minus plus minus plus. That makes sense. Facing direction. You get the current position, you round it down or up, whatever. You round it to the next integer. And then you add depending on which direction you're walking. The direction is set up here. Vector 2 value. That comes from where? 2 usages. Oh, it's up here in blind. Okay.
Answer says movement input.
Layer moved. Okay. Equals 0. So if it is 0, then it is 0. Otherwise, if x is bigger than 0, it's 1. If not, it's dude, there has to be a better way to do this. There has to be a better way. Isn't there like a clamp function or something? Okay, let me just, for now I'll leave it like this, but kind of weird. Just a little bit too many if statements, you know? You basically set it to 0, 1, or -1. The same for y. If both are 0, you don't do anything. You leave it where it is, basically. Then you check if it is 0, and if it is 0, then
Answer
you check
says
if
yes.
the y is bigger than 0, then you set it to north, otherwise south. If it is bigger than, if it's not 0, basically -1 or 1, then you say east or west. Okay. All right. I get how it works. I don't know where is the, let me just try this real quick. I can't right now. Yeah, what if you script value as being in play mode, this can lead to a loss of the state in your running game. Well, I know, but I don't care. Save. Why do you want to configure Unity now? What's happening? References, writer, logging. Okay, whatever. I just want to add the H to Unity editor. And I want to see what happens here. Okay. Loading forever. What happened? What was... Hello? Okay, now it works. All right. I press down. It says 0 minus 1. It already says it in whole numbers. Okay. Then where's the buttons here? Down here. So X and Y is 0 and minus 1. Okay. Then you go in here and you change it to facing direction south, which makes sense so far, right? When is this being called down? So we have, it changed the value, it changed the facing direction right now, right? But when is the spot being called again? Let me just press play so it, oh, there, okay. It has 0, 0, 0 values. Why do we have a vector free though? Oh, because the transform is also vector free, huh? Okay. And this is 4. This makes sense. This makes sense so far. 4, 4, 0. Okay. And then we go facing direction. It's south, so we say y minus 1, which would be minus 1. It was 0 before? I missed something. Yeah, it was 0 before. Okay. Why is it 3.5? What? It was 4. It was 4. What's happening? Dude,
Answer
what?
says player position right.
Player position? Do you mean the other script or what? Let me check. Too many things. This is what I want to see, but I can't because this is in the front player. 3.5. Why is it in 3.5? Trying to think. So basically this is correct, or what? That's what you're trying to tell me? I'm gonna remove this for now. And press on play so it keeps running. And I kind of want to keep a look at this while I work around. No, stop. I don't want to see this right now. Yes. Okay, so this is never even. It makes sense, right? Because you want to move freely. Let me check the script again. Here, right? You round it down or up. Okay, I see. Spot position. You round it down and then you set it. Okay. Okay. What does that mean though? This means why is it? Okay. How? Wait. I have it locked, right? Okay, but still, how? How is it not 1? How is it not 1? Okay, I need to put the breakpoint in again. That's what it is. That's what it is. And now what happens? It goes here, makes it -1. It's 2. Saves it there, and then? Are you not using this anyway? Is this not being used? Is that it? How does it work? Spot. You put the transform in there, right? And then you set it. You set the position. I'm so confused. This doesn't make much sense because it should be full numbers if you set it afterwards. Except if the transform doesn't work that way. You set position. Let me check real quick. This is true. How? Like how? How? This is currently -2, -1.2. If I set it here, right? Why is it showing this here? Wait a sec. How? How is this happening? The position is differently, but why?
Answer says I'm opening the project to understand it 2xd.
I mean, at least
Answer
I'm not.
says film is so whatever RM.
All right. I'm gonna go sit down because I'm standing right now. I think this is weird with the how the position is being set.
Answer says maybe the parent of Spot is Jank.
Maybe that could be it. Yeah. Let me check. I mean, I guess, but why? Cannot change it. it is not possible to change. You can change the character, but you cannot change the spot.
Answer says try moving the spot out of player.
And then
Answer says only did that for the prefab.
I mean, I kind of don't want to do that right now. I don't want to lose the prefab connection to it. I want to check if I can set the position differently first, and then if that doesn't work. Well, I feel like this is weird. Because you said it, like, when I looked at it, you set the position to the correct thing, but the transform position was still weird. Need to check again. I hate this, but I'll just do it for now. See what happens. Da, 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 da. I mean, didn't change anything. 3-0. It has to do with the parent. Because it is taking the minus the 1.3 from the parent and adding a minus in front of it. Why is this adding a minus in front of it though? So basically, if we move it out, let me just stop the game for a second there. What is 0-0? Model is that, player is 0-0. Question is which is this one, right? This is because of the rounding, right? So the rounding is causing it so I can get closer to the square, basically. Why is it? Grid is on 0-0, 0-1. The orientation is there. The anchor is on 0-0.
Answer says when I move the spot out of player it works. Just info.
Okay. What does it mean it works? Like,
Answer says it moves the spot to whole numbers.
but is the spot on the grid then? Or is it still fucked up?
Answer says only if grid is offset 0.5.
Okay. All right.
Answer says cause the pivot of spot is center. Answer says makes sense.
I guess. I mean, you can still go back to the select thing, but let me check real quick. Select tile 0. Right? I mean, wait a sec. It looks correct now, right? Right? The numbers don't match here, but right? Am I imagining it or is it correct? Hans? Talk to me.
Answer says looks good.
I mean, I just switched. What the fuck? I switched it back to the select tile that has the pivot on the bottom left. That's what I did. Why does it work now? It didn't work like 20 minutes ago. All right.
Answer says pivot is a bitch.
True. Also, maybe it does matter what we did here. That's the only difference, right? Did it change anything else? Only player facing. I'm gonna revert this real quick with the old one and see if that makes a difference. Just want to know.
Answer says I'm a Finnish movie, then I'll get on. Answer says 30 minutes tops.
Alright, have fun. feel like this is correct, I think. So your code was okay, it wasn't the code. Okay, then I don't need to change that. I still want to keep the other changes though, because it made the code a little bit clearer. Default break one. I kind of don't want to have this here actually. When it makes default break, I would want an error message. So I know that I fucked up something, right? Unity throw error or log error. Okay. So I guess throw new exception. Unknown facing direction. That no, unexpected. Unexpected facing direction found. What's the error I want to have there? It will probably never happen, but you know. Also, I don't think you need the break at the last default, if I remember correctly. Default basically, nothing after default is run, so you don't need the break. Please don't run. Just wanted to check if you're running. How do I stop attaching it? I don't need this. Okay. Better. System. I don't like system, but okay. What's the problem here? Doesn't match rule instance feeds not private. Just naming facing. Is the facing direction visible here? I don't think it is, right? Visible. Why isn't it private? I also don't like the char. But I don't want to change too much. Let me create a new branch, hotfix grid. Wait, override existing branch. I never used this, but probably. Okay. Can you I don't want to extract the method. I want to switch it to inline switch statement. If that is even possible. I think it is possible. So basically do it like this. And then instead of doing does this work the way I intended to? Well, you find out. Okay. Like this, right? Why is it not working? Only assignment. Oh, then new program can be used as a statement. You can, okay, also you cannot do that. Why not? I think it's actually possible. You can you do it like this? Give me a sec. Spot position. No. That also doesn't work. But you could technically. Why not? What's in here? Target type vector free. Because it's an int. Okay, this won't work. I'll go back. Too bad it doesn't work like this. It's really nice. Okay. Alrighty. Is somebody using this though? No? This is only for here, right? I think. I think I'm gonna change this real quick. Do we have like an enum? No, we don't. Game data? No. Player. I think we should have like a player folder. Maybe. All right. So we'll create a new enum. I kind of want to add a new directory. As a player, kind of. I don't really like player. I now think I know why it's not in here. Player doesn't really facing. Is it facing? I don't really like the facing. I'm gonna just call it player for now. We can still figure it out later. No. Yes. And then I want to add a new class, and it should be an enum, and it should be called facing direction. And here I want to have the directions north, south, west, east. Okay, no. Okay. Nah, leave it like this for now. Okay. What's the problem here? Duplicate definition player. What did I do here? I left it like this, huh? Okay. The problem is that the maybe it's more character instead of, yeah, it's more character. Let me just rename this real quick to character. And then we will also rename this to character. Because this is not taken yet. Right? There is the facing direction. And now we can use facing direction. Or you can do that facing direction north, like this. Right? And that way it's a little bit more clear. Okay, same here. Which one was it? North, right? Yeah. All right. I think and maybe we should make it to facing or something. I'm gonna leave it like this for now, but I kind of want to have like a, instead of facing direction, I want the top-down direction. I think that would be better. I think so. This one should be top-down direction. Should you? No. Next. Right? This should be top-down direction. And here you have a top-down direction, facing direction, north. And that way you can use this or reuse it or whatever. And this one shouldn't be in character anymore. It should be maybe just directions. Maybe there should be like a world package. Let's check it. World. And then there should probably be a directions. And in there should be top-down direction. Right? So this one should be world dot directions. Oh, like this. Up. Down. Just in case, right? Left. That way this is a little bit clearer. They are facing All right. Okay, let's check if it still works. And if it does, we will commit this for now. What the I see. I see. So I guess it cannot be private. It needs to be internal. I don't really like the internal one. Maybe just go public. Maybe just go public. Control C, public. And then rename this to be facing the what the no, I don't really need those old name things. Please stop. It helps, but I don't really need it right now. See. Change it to be facing direction. Ah, I see. Set parent, set parent, set parent. You can remove this one, right? What the fuck is this? Okay. Let's wait, what is this? This is just the I see. All right. Let's start with one problem at a time, right? Or maybe two problems at a time. You move this down here. So then, wait, this one needs to be out of this, like here. So that I can remove 3 lines. Okay. The slice. Okay, I think. The break is okay, I think. Let me check something real quick. Where was the here? No. Here. Okay. Was it north? Yes, it was north. Wait, did I do that right? Or was it here? New exception. Alrighty. So nope. Control Z, but you could technically use it like this. And like this, and the west. Okay. Also, we can move this one out again. So that we can move it here. Nope. Okay. Expected, I guess facing direction is correct. Player face. More like a looking thing. Like looking. Basically the last thing that you looked at. Looking. I mean, face and actual looking relation is the same thing. I just call it like this, it's fine. Remember to hydrate, guys. Okay. This one. While I'm here. I just want to use the defaults for something. Smart. I feel like this one. It should be here, but I don't think it should be active right now because it should probably break if you don't pick the sword or scythe. Probably just throw an exception and that's it. So better to leave it commented for now. Don't like that this is without a space or empty line. All right. Let's see if it still works. Looks good. Okay. So basically, this is a little bit weird, but I get it. It's because the character in the middle is more up. The middle of the character is more up than down of the other tiles, where it's projecting it upward. Okay, this looks correct. Now let me just check if the seeding works. I feel like it doesn't. But maybe it's the seeds. Maybe I'm using the wrong seeds. Does this work? No, it doesn't. Wait, this one worked. Why did this one work? Huh? Use tool has no receiver. Okay, so it placed it at the bottom left. And that is Shit. I get it why it does that, because the tile is in the bottom left. If that might be, wait, that might work if we change the seats to also have a pivot at the bottom left. Then it might work. Hey, let me check. Where are the seats? That's the question now. Items? No. Those are the seats, right? But I think I already changed this, no? Did I not change this? Where are they? Wait a sec. What? Is it those? Nah, those are different, right? Because these are already the bottom left. It cannot be those. How the fuck? It's these, isn't it? These, right? He's using the shooter sprite and the shooter. Oh my god. All right. All right. I think I know what's wrong. Sprite editor, slice, bottom left. Grid by cell size. Is that correct? Nah, it's 32. 32. And smart. Slice. I mean, looks correct. Apply. Close it. Where is it placed? Y free. Where's Y free? Where am I right now? Should be here somewhere. I don't see it though. Aha! Let me just check something. I think this is correct. This looks correct, right? I think this is correct. Let me drink something real quick. I think that should be fixed, Ned. All right. Let me fix the other plan too. Right, editor. Looks weird. Because it's gray, I see. All right, slice, grid by cell size. This is also 32 by 32. Bottom left, smart, slice. Apply, close. It's kind of weird. Why is it like this? Like, oh, I'm clicking the wrong button. That's fine. This one works. This one does not. This one works. I think it works. Let me just check the water thing. This one does not work yet. Why does the watering can not work yet? I mean, I'm gonna push it like this for now. And just check real quick. Yes. Right. We have that changed. And that changed. Okay. Fix placement of selection tile and placement of seeds on grid. It's pushing. All right, it is push. Kind of want. I already saw there was like something weird with the dive. I think. Check real quick. How do you attack? F? How? How do you attack? So brief of use to has not been assigned. Okay. I'm guessing I need to switch to the other scene. This one? Maybe? Okay, here it's even more fucked. The grid is fucked here even. He didn't change it. He did not. Why isn't it changed? Did he change it back? Guess I have to ask him when he comes back.
Answer says change what?
Ah, you're back. Did you change the grid position back? Didn't I change it yesterday to 1 on your scene? Didn't I read all? You know what I mean? Couldn't this be on 1? Don't save. Did I not? Look here, it's on 0, 0.
Answer says no. So many pulls and commits.
All right. I'm just confused why.
Answer says should be 0, 0.
Yeah. Let me check real quick. I just wanted to see the scythe and sword animation. Am I correct here? Yes. Why is it unused overrides? What does that mean? No, it should be revert all, right? I guess reset?
Answer says almost ready.
All right. Nothing can save us. Let's change us. Okay, let me just. I think I fixed the seating placement, but I'm not sure. And I kind of want to see the scythe, but not working here. I'm gonna go back to the farm and I'm gonna check the tree. The tree's still working. It is. Needs to be bigger. I mean, oh, why is that? Oh, okay. Okay, some things need to be changed here too. Just noticed. The drawing of the drawing order or rendering order, whatever you want to call it, of the grid does not check if the character is in front or behind. Okay, this one does work though, just not transparent. Okay. But other than that, I think it works now. Right? I think I'm gonna save this real quick. There's no overrides here. I did change this one. I need to override this then to live script. I don't know what I changed with the live script. There's no game object for live. Ah, no. Okay. Player overrides apply on. No, that's wrong. I didn't want to apply all. Just apply this one. How do I apply just this one? Why is it? Oh, because it's too close to the right. Okay. Okay, one thing that is kind of weird is that the square to the right can be further off. That's a little bit weird. That's the only thing I can see right now that's weird with the select tile thing. What happens if you move him up? Does this? Oh, it doesn't change at all.
Answer says rounding makes up and right prevalent.
I think also it's the position of the parent. Like the parent is more important than the model, which is a little bit weird. You ask me, cannot see the collider. Can I see it here? Oh god. I want to try something. Let me just check what happens if you place him on 0-0. Whoa! Where did he go? What the? Why is he up there? I need to switch. I really need to switch the animator. The animation model is weird. Like I have to fucking move the character down by 5, almost 6 blocks. So it's in the center. Right? That's what I had to do manually here. I changed it, but I haven't uploaded it yet. It's here. Sprite player here. I have not tried it yet, you know, I just looks like it has the same issue though. Just try it real quick. This is 0-0. Why is it there? Why is 0-0 here? This is 0-5. Oh no, 0-0 is down here. This is 0-0. Why does it spawn up there? Isn't that weird? Why do I have to move him 5 blocks down? 6 even. Why? I mean, I fixed the centralization, the symmetrical issue I had, but why the fuck is it so high up? It probably has to do with the swinging animation, but I'm gonna delete it again. Okay. Let me just check something real quick. I don't want to change anything I didn't want to change. I think that's okay. Did something change here? The player prefab changed. I think that's okay, right? Kinda. Let me just check the other scene real quick. And then I will check the Ace Pride, because I want to see why the fuck is it being spawned at 6 too high. Why? All right, this looks almost okay. Why is it the player spot still a square? Why? Because it's not part of the prefab. Isn't that it? Isn't that it? Like, the spot one.
Answer says im free.
Free, okay. I'm trying to figure out I think the spot prefab
Answer says discall.
Sure, you can call me. Or we could go in the Discord server, another channel, I guess. Whatever you want to do. Hello. Hello. You probably can't hear yourself in the stream, right? All right. Wait. Let me just add the. Give me a sec. You wanted to leave? Oh shit. Wait, didn't work as I wanted it to. Add this one. Yo. Okay, my ears. Oh, sorry. All right. Can you say something?
Hello.
Okay. Now you are in the stream. Good.
I'm in the stream.
Yeah, people can hear you if people watch.
You can't hear. Can you hear the background people talking?
No, it's fine.
Okay. I just stand up.
Okay. Let me first change the prefab because it doesn't have the spot in there in your side for some reason. You know what I mean?
What am I looking at?
The spot thing is not in your prefab for some reason. It's not part of the prefab on your side.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, and it's for some reason. Do you know what happened here with the live script?
I have no idea.
Should I just apply it?
Yeah, whatever it is, apply it.
Apply all. Save, right? Then I go to your farm 911. 911. 9 by 9.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's in here, but okay, it did update it. Okay. Because I wanted to test it on your farm, and I noticed that the thing was off. Okay. Okay, it works now, see?
Yeah.
And let's see if this works. It also works. Works, right? So I can place these.
Yeah, it's just kind of offset, right? Link
Is it?
left and right. Yeah, right goes out more than left. Down goes down, left, and up. You see how right
I
goes
see
like,
it. The question is if the picture is offset, like if the seeds are offset in the tile.
No, that I don't think so. I think it is getting the whole tiles, but to the right is pushing out more than to the left. And I don't know up and down there. It's also hard to tell because the character also is offset by a bit up.
I hate this so much. Can I screen? No, I cannot. Fuck me.
What are you trying to do?
I want to zoom in into this one. It is like a little bit higher, right?
Yeah.
Isn't the image just like this?
Yeah, I think that's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, but then it's not offset, right?
No, the plant is fine.
Okay, what did you
player
mean?
The player is offset because you see how there's like room under the player's feet.
Yeah.
So that kind of makes it hard to tell if the up and down squares are offset. But I think they are. I think the up goes out more than the down now. I think that has to do with rounding, which would have to be fixed.
Wait, which one is offset now?
So what I mean is the white square,
This one.
the one where you're looking, basically where you're facing.
Yes.
When you go to the right, it's further from the player.
Yes. And left. Yeah, I noticed that too.
And up and down, it's going up. It's further from the player than down.
Yes.
It's just
like
harder to tell.
the player should be moved more to top right, something like that.
No, not the player. The square is aiming wrong with the rounding.
Maybe.
That's my, because I've hit that before too. That's why you saw that ugly double if question mark, colon.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what that was. Yeah. Sorry about that. By the way.
That's fine. It's fine. You just
that's what that was.
Yeah, I get it. You just try to fix it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. I should have put a comment though.
No, it's fine. I understood it. It just took a little bit. What should I
find?
What should I check? Like this wall is supposed to be here,
the wall doesn't matter.
but it's offset right now, right? The grid is offset again. Could that be?
That's a problem.
No.
If forget that the
Let me just check real quick. But it looks correct.
Yeah, this grid offset thing had me crazy today.
But it looks correct. It's just
zoom out more. Wait, why is the 9x9 look? Huh? Wait, zoom all the way out.
Wait, I know what's going on. The square that you have here is center. You need to use the select, and then it's correct. Well, I guess not correctly, because why the fuck is it here?
Wait, zoom way out. I'm wondering if this is even the 9x9.
It says it up here.
But I'm confused. It isn't the 9x9.
What do you mean?
I'm super confused now.
Scenes?
It doesn't have the 9x9 layout. It should be 9. I mean, this is the farm scene, so I'm super confused right now.
Did you not push it? Maybe.
I'm pretty sure I did.
Did I not pull it? Maybe.
That might be.
Let me check real quick.
Now we're gonna go enter nightmare territory.
Nah, it's fine. Let me just save this real quick. Okay.
Yeah.
It's fine. Even if I would need to create it again, it's no problem.
I mean, yeah, that's why it's better to work on. You work on farm, I work on farm 9x9, and then we just kind of match whatever the other guy worked on. That way, we don't have conflicts.
I mean, we don't have conflicts right now.
We have cornflakes.
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 I mean, we can still push what I changed, and then we try to make it work in your scene. I would need to revert the farm changes. The farm 9x9. Fuck me.
Yeah, the farm 9x9.
The farm 911.
911. It's like Brooklyn 99. Farm 99.
Farm 99. Hey. Now check out. I just want to see if there was changes that I didn't pull. Update.
Man,
no. I pulled it.
You pulled it.
I pulled it.
You pulled.
I pulled it. But.
Huh?
Nani?
Data. What the fuck?
The fuck? Okay, wait. I hope no. Oh my god,
What's happening?
what's happening? Grid. Check out.
What is actually happening?
Let's just hope that was an issue in Unity and not in Git. Reload. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like
Doesn't?
that. It looks like. Okay. Let me just. Where is it? Git. Was you. Hands.
What's happening? What am I looking at? Dialogue test. Yeah.
So I did take it from main,
Okay.
but for some reason it changed. And in your economy loop is on a different branch. You probably know that.
Yeah.
All right.
It should be.
I guess I just need to. I'm also scared what Greg is doing here. So I just need to pull it, remove the farm scene, hopefully. Like
farm 99 or the farm?
Yeah, 9x9. Just remove my changes from the farm 9x9.
Yeah.
And then it should work, right?
Well, and then I don't know where the grid ends.
We will see what happens.
Geez, on my branch, I also have to revert any grid movements. Oof. Oof. How do we do this? Is it better to just do all the changes that you're doing, make them correct on the farm, and just don't touch the 9x9?
Yeah.
That might be better.
Yeah.
Make it work cleanly on the farm. I push the ugly 9x9, and
I think it is already that way. I just need to. God, what happened here? How do I
Whoa.
go back?
Minus 11,000. Jesus.
Yes.
What's happening?
Revert. My Git. Revert file to previous commit. Also, somebody's writing me. It's Pat. Gamies. Sure, in like 10 minutes. Okay, we'll give this 10 minutes. Okay.
That grid thing was a nightmare.
You want this? Okay. Let's see if this works. Terminal. So this is called hotfix grid. I want to restore. This is gonna be annoying, man. Where is the under scenes, right? So
Yeah, I don't know how to use Writer.
you don't know how to use Writer?
Yeah, I don't know how to revert things in Writer. I haven't used Writer almost at all.
Reverting is, I think, down here somewhere. I haven't used it yet too, so I'm trying to. The revert I haven't used yet. But it has to be somewhere here. When I use it, I will tell you.
Mhm.
Because right now I'm not trying to revert a whole commit. I'm trying to revert one file from the commit, which
Okay.
is different.
Yeah.
Is there yes, assets, scenes. This one, right?
King of Thieves Jutot says hi.
Hi, Jutox. Did it say? Did you hear it, Hans?
No.
Greg just joined and said hi, and it said Jutonks or something.
Jutonks?
Yes.
Oh, because I have your stream muted, so I don't hear you twice.
Yeah. You don't. And you also don't hear the alerts and stuff.
No.
Yeah, but because
King of Thieves Jutot says we're in dis waiting for you, lol.
And just waiting for
Yeah.
you.
Well.
About that.
About that.
King of Thieves Jutot says watch a progging.
We're trying to. Oh, answer. I think it's fixed now.
That might be fixed. I like how that's fixed. Yeah, I think that's actually how it was when I saw it last. I mean, at the beginning. I moved it around and didn't play a bunch with the grid stuff.
Yeah. Revert farm 9x9.
AJR44 says you're a VTuber.
Yes, I am.
Think you need a break, man.
I mean,
all this yak shaving. Jesus.
I can't wait to play games right now.
Yeah, dude. You can make sweaters with all the yaks you shave.
Let me just check real quick if this is.
Gotta play sweater weather.
Did this work now? The farm 9x9 is gone. That's great.
That's good, right?
I think so.
That's all we cared about.
The potato and the shooter got changed.
AJR44 says then stop and come in dis.
Okay. We just finish real quick, please.
Then stop and come in this. Then
all right.
All of a sudden, you have a bunch of viewers who just want you to stop. Yeah, worst friends ever. That's my talking.
All right, I will just merge this now, right?
Hey, I don't know. I hope that works.
I didn't change your scene, so it should be alright.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Dude. I mean, part of me almost wants to just like pull and in main and then just make a new branch from there. But I don't know. I don't know what I did today. Pretty sure
I mean, it only works on my scene right now. You know what I mean? Oh, merge plug.
One's probably fuck you.
I already merged. It's okay. It's fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Let me just open farm real quick. See if this works. Yeah. Yeah, it works.
I mean, not exactly, but yeah, aiming. But we'll do this.
Wait a sec. Why is isn't it this? Which one is it of those two?
Of what two?
The potato and the.
The seeds. The seeds. The fruit doesn't do anything.
AJR44 says, where did you get the VTuber model?
Yeah, should be the two seed things.
I bought it. The $20.
What happened?
I think
Dhucker Prime 1 says hello there.
Hey. Now everyone's in here.
AJR44 says Jesus.
Jesus.
King of Thieves Jutot says new mandem.
New mandem.
True. Okay.
Dhucker Prime 1 says we chillin' here now.
Okay. I don't know. Something broke, I think, because I couldn't place any more seats right now.
That might be. No, that's something I changed in the one I'm doing now. So.
Oh wait, I'm pressing the wrong button.
AJR44 says quit yabbing and get your shit done faster.
Okay. It is spawning the potato over here. You see that?
Dhucker Prime
Yeah,
1
but
says,
the-
why is there a
oh,
lantern
it's
hanging on the top
probably,
left?
The
Autumn layer.
yeah, but I already fixed
Mm, on
no, it
your-
should be 0.
On your side, you maybe fixed
Oh, because in 9x9 they're fixed. Jesus. Yeah. I don't know if you should bother. Well, I guess those aren't prefabs, but basically the issue is that the ground is
Yeah, I
on
get
0.
it. I get it. You
Yeah.
just, I'm wondering why. Okay, but then it's still, I can still merge.
Yeah, I think you can merge. I think that.
All right, then let's merge it, and then
I think,
headache is
Why is
gone
there-
for now.
why is there a lantern hanging top left?
Oh, that is an alert. If somebody follows, it should move.
AJR44
Oh,
says it's
follow,
included in
boys.
his $20 model.
No, it's not. No, it is not. It is not. It is not included in that image.
Can we get some follows in here?
Get some follows
I'm
in
about
here.
to unfollow and follow just to see that lantern shake.
You tried, sure.
I'm gonna do it.
I'm
Yes,
gonna merge the
unfollow.
thing.
Follow. Did it do anything?
Yep, but for Ayaya.
Yay! Let's go. Oh, mine didn't count.
Yours didn't count.
Between me, I guess because I was already following. Oh, hey, let's go. Hey,
Let's
that looks
go. All right, I'm gonna merge now. Whatever happens,
nice.
happens.
Bye. I'm gonna go back.
Ans
into the
will
ghost.
take care of it tomorrow.
Yep.
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 AJR44 says,
I'm
I'm a
gonna go back
follower
into the
now.
ether.
Nice. Welcome to the club. Goodbye. See you later.
AJR44 says, call me sheep too.
Okay.
King of Thieves Jutot says, tag team.
All right. All right. I'm gonna stop streaming.